Hi, and welcome to this short and simple web series, which is dedicated to explaining everything you would need to know to write basic computer programs, including games, completely from scratch. Within a week, this series will teach you how to become a true coding master. At its core, a computer program is a pre-coded set of instructions that, when run, directly control how a computer behaves. Programs can perform many tasks, such as adding and subtracting two numbers, or rendering the graphics in a first-person shooter. Programs even have the ability to accept input from the user and display output in the form of text and graphics. A programming language is a text-based language that enables the building of a program through the use of grammar, formerly known as syntax, commands, and other varying concepts. In the next few videos, we'll be looking at some basic concepts featured in almost all programming languages.